Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. First question A. We have x minus 1 equal to 0. Now to get the value of x, we should remove minus 1. To remove minus 1 from this side, we should add 1 on both sides. So our step is add 1 to both sides. Okay. Now minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. Here x equal to 0 plus 1, 1. So x equal to 1 is our answer. Next, B1. X plus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value, we should remove plus 1 from here. To remove plus 1, you subtract 1 on both sides. So the step is subtract 1 to both sides. So here plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, you are left with x equal to 0 minus 1 minus 1. This is our answer. Next, C1. X minus 1 equal to 5. Now to get x, we should remove minus 1 from here. To remove minus 1, you add 1 on both sides. So step is add 1 to both sides. Now minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, x equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Next, D1. X plus 6 equal to 2. Now to get x, we should remove plus 6 from here. To remove plus 6, you subtract 6 on both sides. So this cancel out, x equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4. Here we should write subtract 6 to both sides. Okay. Next. E. Y minus 4 equal to minus 7. Now to get value of y, we should remove minus 4. To remove minus 4, you add 4 on both sides. So step is add 4 to both sides. So now minus 4 plus 4 cancel out, here y and here minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. This is our answer. Next, F. Y minus 4 equal to 4. Now to get y, we should remove minus 4. To remove minus 4, you add 4 on both sides. So the step is add 4 to both sides. So minus 4 plus 4 cancel out, y equal to 4 plus 4, 8. This is our answer. Next, G. Y plus 4 equal to 4. Now to get y, we should remove plus 4. To remove plus 4, we should subtract 4 on both sides. So step is subtract 4 to both sides. So plus 4 minus 4 cancel out, you get y equal to 4 minus 4, 0. This is our answer. Next, h y plus 4 equal to minus 4. To get y, we should remove plus 4. To remove plus 4, you subtract 4 on both sides. So the step is subtract 4 to both sides. So now plus 4 minus 4 cancel out, you get y equal to minus 4 is minus 8. This is our answer. The question is completed. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. How do we do that? See. A1 3L equal to 42. Now to get value of L, we should remove 3 from here. To remove 3, we should divide by 3 on both sides. So our step is divide by 3 to both sides, or divide both sides by 3 is fine. Okay. Now this 3 cancel out, here L, and here 3 ones, 4 minus 3, 1 carried forward, 12. When do we get 12 in 3 table? 3 4s 12. So we got L equal to 14. Next, B1, B by 2 equal to 6. Now to get value of B, we should remove 2 from here. To remove 2, we should multiply by 2 on both sides. So step is multiply both sides by 2. So this 2 cancel out, here B, and here 6 into 2, 12. Next, C, P by 7 equal to 4. Now to get the value of P, we should remove 7. To remove 7, you multiply by 7 on both sides. So step is multiply both sides by 7. So here this cancel out, P equal to 4 into 7, 28. Next, D, 4x equal to 25. Now to get x, we should remove 4. To remove 4, you divide by 4 on both sides. So step is divide both sides by 4. So this cancel out, here x equal to 25 by 4. Okay. Next, E, 8y equal to 36. Now to get y, we should remove 8. To remove 8, you divide by 8 on both sides. So step is divide both sides by 8. So here this cancel out, you get y. Here let us cancel in 4 table. 4 2s, 4 9s, 36. So we got y equal to 9 by 2. Next, F, z by 3 equal to 5 by 4. Now to get z, we should remove this 3. To remove the 3, we should multiply by 3 on both sides. So our step is multiply both sides by 3. So now 3 cancel out, here you get z, and here 5 into 3, 15. by 4. This is our answer. Next, G. A by 5 equal to 7 by 15. Now to get A value, we should remove this 5. To remove the 5, you should multiply by 5 on both sides. So step is multiply both sides by 5. So this cancel out, here you get A, and here cancel 5 ones, 5 threes. So we got A equal to 7 by 3. Next, H. 20t equal to minus 10. To get the value of t, we should remove 20. To remove 20, we should divide by 20 on both sides. So step is divide both sides by 20. Now 20 cancel out, you get t, and here cancel the 0, you are left with minus 1 by 2. This is our answer. Question is completed. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. How do we do that? See. A. 3n minus 2 equal to 46. Now, step 1. First, we should remove minus 2 from here. To remove minus 2, we should add 2 on both sides. So, you should write add 2 to both sides. Now, minus 2 plus 2 cancel out, you are left with 3n equal to 46 plus 2, 48. Now, to get n value, we should remove 3. To remove 3, you divide by 3 on both sides. So, your step 2 is divide both sides by 3. So, now 3 cancel out, you get n, and here 3 ones, 1 carried forward 18. When do we get 18 in 3 table? 3, 6, 18. So n equal to 16 is our answer. Next, B. 5m plus 7 equal to 17. First, we should remove plus 7. To remove plus 7, you subtract 7 on both sides. So your step 1 is subtract 7 to both sides. Now plus 7 minus 7 cancel out, you are left with 5m equal to 17 minus 7, 10. Now to get m, we should remove 5. To remove 5, you should divide by 5 on both sides. So your step 2 is divide both sides by 5. So this cancel out, you get m equal to 5 ones, 5 twos. So m equal to 2 is our answer. Next, 20p c. 20p by 3 equal to 40. Here first we should remove the denominator 3. To remove 3, we should multiply by 3 on both sides. So our step 1, multiply both sides by 3. So now this cancel out, you get 20p equal to 40 into 3, 120. Now to get p value, we should remove this 20. To remove the 20, you should divide by 20 on both sides. So our step 2 is divide both sides by 20. So this cancel out, you get p equal to, cancel the 0, then 2 ones, 2, 6. So p equal to 6 is our answer. Next, D1. (3p by 10) equal to 6. First we should remove 10 from here. To remove 10, we should multiply by 10 on both sides. So our step 1 is multiply both sides by 10. So this cancel out, we are left with 3p equal to 6 into 10, 60. Now to get p value, we should remove 3. To remove 3, you should divide by 3 on both sides. So your step 2 is divide both sides by 3. So now this cancel out, you get p equal to 3 ones, 3 twos, 0 as it is, 20. So p equal to 20 is our answer. Question is completed. Solve the following equations. So let us solve. A1, 10p equal to 100. Now to get p value, we should remove 10 from here. To remove 10, we should divide by 10 on both sides. So this cancel out, we get p equal to, here you cancel the zeros, we get 10. So this is our answer. Next, B. 10p plus 10 equal to 100. Now, first we should remove plus 10 from here. To remove plus 10, you should subtract 10 on both sides. So this cancel out, you get 10p equal to 100 minus 10, 90. Now to get p, we should remove 10. To remove 10, you should divide by 10 on both sides. So this cancel out, you get p equal to, here you cancel the 0, you get 9. So this is our answer. Next, C. P by 4 equal to 5. Now to get p value, we should remove 4 from the denominator. So to remove 4, you should multiply by 4 on both sides. So this cancel out, you get p here, and here 5 into 4, 20 is our answer. Next, D. Minus p by 3 equal to 5. First we should remove 3 from the denominator. To remove 3, you should multiply by 3 on both sides. So this cancel out, you get minus p equal to 15. Now to get p, we should remove this minus 1 from here. For that, you should divide by minus 1 on both sides. So this cancel out, you get p equal to negative I put at the top, 15 by 1 is 15. This is our answer, minus 15. Next, E. 3p by 4 equal to 6. Now first we should remove denominator 4. To remove 4, you should multiply by 4 on both sides. So this cancel out, you get 3p equal to 24. Now to get p we should remove 3. To remove 3 you divide by 3 on both sides. So this cancel out, you get p equal to 3 ones 3 eights. So p equal to 8 is our answer. Next, F. 3s equal to minus 9. To get s value we should remove 3. To remove 3 we should divide by 3 on both sides. So this cancel out s, and here 3 ones 3 threes. S equal to minus 3. Next, G. 3s plus 12 equal to 0. First we should remove plus 12. To remove plus 12 we should subtract 12 on both sides. So this cancel out, you get 3s equal to minus 12. Now we should remove 3, so divide by 3. It cancel out, you get s equal to 3 ones 3 fours, minus 4. Next, 3s equal to 0. Now to get s value we should remove 3. To remove 3 you divide by 3. So this cancel out, s equal to 0 by 3 is 0, is our answer. Next, next is I. 2q equal to 6. To get q value we should remove 2. So to remove 2 you divide by 2 on both sides. So this cancel out, q equal to 2 ones 2 threes. Q equal to 3 is our answer. Next, two q minus 6 equal to 0. First we should remove minus 6. To remove minus 6 you add 6 on both sides. So this cancel out, you get 2q equal to 0 plus 6 is 6. Now to get q we should remove 2. So to remove 2 you should divide by 2 on both sides. So this cancel out, q equal to 2 ones 2 threes. So q equal to 3 is our answer. Next, k. 2q plus 6 equal to 0. Now first we should remove plus 6. To remove plus 6 we should subtract 6 on both sides. So plus 6 minus 6 cancel out, we get 2q equal to minus 6. Now to get q we should remove 2. To remove 2 we should divide by 2 on both sides. So this cancel out, we get q, and here minus 2 ones 2 threes. So q equal to minus 3 is our answer. Next, 2q plus 6 equal to 12. First we should remove plus 6, so subtract 6 on both sides. So this cancel out, 2q equal to 12 minus 6, 6. Now to get q, we should remove 2. So to remove 2 you divide by 2. This cancel out, you get q equal to 2 ones 2 threes. So this is our answer. The question is completed.